Welcome back to Sister's Kitchen. Welcome my lovely viewers and my lovely subscribers. Guys, today we're going to make coleslaw. So guys, I have my carrots here. I have 2 carrots, 1 onion, 1 purple cabbage and 2 green cabbage. I have black pepper, mayonnaise, I have a little salt and my vinegar. And I have my grater over here. So guys, I'm going to clean my carrots and wash them and put them aside. And I'm gonna start making my coleslaw. So journey with me, guys. Keep watching to the end while I make my coleslaw. And if you have any questions, guys, you can put it in the comment section. I'll be here to answer you guys. So I finished cleaning my carrots. I'm gonna clean up a little bit. And I'm gonna wash them. Okay guys, I'm gonna start cooking my cabbage. I'm starting with the purple one first. I'm gonna cut it as thin as I can. Okay guys, I think this is enough. I'm gonna wash this and put it aside, let it drain, and then I'm gonna cut the other one, cut the green one. Okay guys, I'm gonna start cutting my green cabbage. Okay guys, this is my last cabbage. I'm gonna cut. I'm gonna cut it and wash it. I washed the purple one already, so I'm gonna wash this one also. Guys, I just washed the purple cabbage. I'm gonna put it in my bowl and I'm gonna wash the other cabbage now. So guys, I'm gonna get my carrot going. Okay guys, I'm finished grating my carrots. Guys, I'm gonna wash my hands and start get everything together. Okay guys, I'm putting my onion. After I finish my onion, I'm gonna set it aside and then I make my sauce. And guys, the onion is optional. If you don't like onion, you don't have to put it, okay guys? But I love onion, so If I could eat onion with everything I'm eating, I'm gonna eat it. So this I'm gonna set aside in my bowl again. I'm gonna make my sauce and combine everything together after. Okay guys, I'm gonna get some mayonnaise in my plate. I'm gonna mix maybe half a cup of mayonnaise, or a cup. No, this don't reach a cup. Call it half a cup of mayonnaise, a little apple cider vinegar, maybe 2 teaspoons. I'm gonna add some fresh ground black pepper, a little salt, I'm gonna mix everything together. Add a teaspoon of sugar. I'm gonna add brown sugar because that's what I have home. I don't have no white sugar. That's it. Continue mixing everything together. So this is my sauce for my coleslaw. You don't have to put the sugar, it's optional. Also, you wanna taste it? See how it tastes? You wanna taste? Okay. What are you looking at? The salt is okay, everything's okay? Yeah? Okay, very good. So guys, my sauce is good. So I'm gonna combine everything together right now. So okay guys, I'm gonna add everything together right now. So mix it up in this bowl, but it's too small for it, so let's combine and make my coleslaw. It's looking nice already. I'm gonna add my sauce now to it. Maybe I'm gonna need more, I'm not sure. Let's see if we have to put more together. So okay guys, so my coleslaw is almost finished. I just let them taste it and they say it was tasting good. And guys, I said, alright, good. Good for high blood pressure. Yeah man. Okay, so we're gonna put this aside. No, I'm gonna finish it right now and plate it out so you guys can see. Okay guys? So stay tuned guys and let me put it in a nice plate. Okay guys, I'm gonna transfer my coleslaw in my bowl, and as the guys are saying it's good, they already tasted it and say it was good. And guys, coleslaw is good for a lot of stuff. High blood pressure, diabetes, it's good for a lot of stuff. And I put purple onion in there, and purple onion serve a lot of purpose. So guys, make your coleslaw and eat guys. And stay healthy. Way too guys. And guys, John, tell them how the coleslaw tastes.
Enter, man, enter.
Yeah. Let's make up your coleslaw, guys. So this is my finished product of my coleslaw.
But you have blood pressure and diabetes.
That's right. So you guys eat up your coleslaw. And guys, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, please. Comment to our videos so you can see more of us, guys. And guys, tell me where you're watching us from so I could give you a thumbs up in the next video. Okay, guys? So thank you for watching and see you guys in our next video. God bless you. Bye-bye.